feedback, Kaushik. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Uh, how was this session with in co in coaching with Shabir? How was the session?
Yeah, the session was really great. Like, I got to learn a lot about funnels and stuff.
Really great. Okay, what three things did you learn from this session?
Like, I love the way he talked about funnels and stuff. Like,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, and also this trigger words, like how to trigger a customer.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And
Mm-hmm.
mm, and also about the Facebook ads, like the things you talked about ads, like it is way beyond my, like I didn't expect to know. Like you talked very advanced.
I was not expecting, I was not expecting, I was not
Like I was not expecting
expecting
this. It would be it would be this advanced.
such advanced stuff
Yeah,
on FB ads, okay?
yeah,
Like FB ads is more than FB ads is more than what you expected, right?
yeah,
Expected. Yes, it is. Come on, man. There are almost uh, I think I read somewhere more than 20,000 employees actually operate the Facebook algorithm.
yeah.
So if 20,000 people are operating it, something behind it, right? So yes. Okay, cool. Anything extra that you learned on your part that you grabbed,
Mm,
grasped? Hmm.
about
So
email marketing, maybe.
email marketing. Okay.
Yeah.
Again, so thank you for giving me this feedback, Kaushik. Uh,
Yeah.